Renamify AI is the newest AI tool you need to know about, and today I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're new to AI or just looking for a powerful tool, you're going to want to watch this until the end because I'm going to give you the full lowdown. Plus, you can try Renamify completely free through the first link below, so don't miss that. Now, let's get into it. Renamify is a game changer in the world of digital marketing and branding. It's designed to simplify and enhance the process of naming and rebranding your business, product, or even a project. If you've ever struggled to find the right name, especially one that aligns perfectly with your brand's message, Renamify is here to solve that. First off, this tool uses advanced AI algorithms to generate names that are not only creative, but also strategically optimized for your target audience. It takes into account market trends, SEO keywords, and even customer preferences to make sure the name is both memorable and effective. That's a huge advantage because, as digital marketers, we know how important it is to stand out in a crowded market. Another thing that sets Renamify apart is its ability to generate domain name suggestions. Yes, it's integrated with domain registration platforms, so you can instantly check if the name is available as a domain. This saves a lot of time when you're planning your next project, especially when you know that a perfect name is useless if the domain isn't available. But that's not all. Renamify allows you to refine your search by industry, keywords, or even brand values. This level of customization ensures that you're not just getting random names. You're getting highly relevant suggestions that speak directly to your brand's identity. For example, you can specify whether you want a playful, serious, or professional tone, and Renamify will generate names that fit your specific vibe. Another crucial feature is the AI-powered competitor analysis. Renamify lets you see the landscape of your industry and understand what names your competitors are using. This helps you identify gaps in the market and avoid copying something that's already taken. It also gives you insight into the names that are most likely to succeed based on data from successful businesses in your space. If you're wondering about how easy it is to use, let me tell you. Renamify is incredibly user-friendly. There's no steep learning curve here. You can start generating names in seconds, and the interface is intuitive, making it accessible to both newbies and experienced marketers. Plus, the software's built-in features guide you through the process, so you're never left wondering what to do next. A huge selling point for me personally is Renamify's ability to help with rebranding efforts. It's not just about coming up with new names for new projects. If you're looking to breathe new life into an existing brand, Renamify offers a robust suite of tools that help you pivot without losing your audience. This is great for businesses looking to stay fresh and relevant in a constantly changing market. Finally, Renamify doesn't just stop at names. It gives you the tools to develop an entire brand identity. From the logo to the tagline and even brand colors, Renamify offers design elements that are aligned with the name you choose, ensuring a cohesive brand image. So, to wrap up, Renamify AI is the perfect tool for anyone looking to rebrand or name a new project with data-backed, AI-generated suggestions. From finding the perfect domain to analyzing competitors, this tool covers all the bases. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use, and you can try it for free using the link below. If you've tried tons of AI tools like I have, I've got more recommended software listed for you in the description. Give them a try for free and see how they can help you level up your digital marketing strategy. Thanks for watching.